Hello, in this video I want to show you how to adjust the key functions on a Logitech G903 mice. So to do this, you'll need to get the G-Hub app. We've shown you how to download it in our other video. Now let's click on the mouse. Right here, move to the assignments, and now we can assign any function to the key, like commands. So for example, let's go with a copy to our forward, copy, and now if we use that key, we should be able to copy the things. You can also go with the keys, so for example any key like right here, any actions for specific apps. Here we have a Discord, OBS and Overwolf. You can always check which are compatible on the website probably, and also the macros. So here you can create any macro combination for your mouse, and the system keys as well. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.